Hello guys.
A, नहीं नहीं B B B B. Is it C? No.
What happened? What you are doing ABCD?
अरे I'm practicing IELTS reading. This.
So what you ABCD is required there?
I'm not sure the answer is A or C. I'm confused between A and C. It could be C. No. I think it's A. Mostly it's
See,
A.
don't make mistake like that in your reading section, just choosing on the basis of which one you feel is good. You should read from the section and then answer the questions.
So should we help them?
I think we should help them.
Yeah. So let's get into the video and we'll show you how we analyze the answer and get into what is the correct answer, right?
For reading.
For reading, option
MCQs.
MCQs. Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so now we have this reading.
Yeah, so we would be doing MCQs in this one.
MCQ, correct. So this is the last section which we generally have in reading, and this is the longest one. And people generally get confusion and score less marks in this section
Yeah,
only.
true.
So okay, first of all, what we generally do, we will read the questions which we do.
Yeah,
So
don't read the passage.
first read the question once, go through the question so that you know what they are going to ask you, so that whenever you see those things, you can get in your mind, okay, this thing is placed in this part.
Yeah.
So okay, first actually we are planning to give only three questions here.
Yeah.
So the first question, the writer suggests that Marshall's discovery came at a good time for the US because.
Yeah. So in these four options, there would be one correct answer.
Correct.
So
So let's see what answer options we have. The Mexican-American War was ending, so there was men needing work. His expertise in water power would be useful in gold mining. The population of California had already begun to increase rapidly. The region was about to come under the control of the US. Okay, now we will.
Now we have to see the keywords. What is Marshall's discovery and the good time for US? So these are things we have to see in the passage.
Correct. So see one more thing which we might have told you earlier as well. So this is the first question. It means it will begin starting will be from here only.
Right.
It's not that it will be somewhere in the middle.
Right.
Okay. So we will start. On January 24, 1848, James Wilson Marshall, a carpenter, found small flakes of gold in American River near Kelowna, California.
Yeah, we have to see the word Marshall's discovery.
Yeah.
So we could see here in the fourth line.
So here we can see as it helped after Marshall's discovery.
Yeah.
Okay. The Treaty of was signed, ending the Mexican-American War and transforming California with its mineral department into the ownership of the United States at that time. So if you read the question properly, there is something related to the ownership of the United States there.
True.
So you can see here. The region was about to come under the control of the US.
Yeah, so that becomes the correct answer. So because we didn't find the population of California had already begun to increase or anything related to power, water power. I don't think so. Anything was there.
Correct.
Yeah.
This was there, but it was not how this can be a good thing for the US. So if the region comes under the US, it means they are going to benefit out of it.
Yeah.
So that's why this is the correct answer.
Yeah.
What was the reaction in 1848 to the news of the discovery of gold? The press played a large part in convincing the public of the riches available. Many men in the San Francisco left immediately to check it out for themselves. People needed to see physical evidence before they took it seriously. Many other mines in the US were among the first to respond to it. Okay, let's see.
What's the keywords? 1948, 1848, and
Reaction
and discovery of gold.
Gold, correct. To the news.
Yeah, to the news of.
So till here we covered in our first part only.
Yeah.
So now we have to start from here only. Then we don't have any other thing else. So Martians had tried to keep news of discovery quiet. Word got out, and by mid-March 1840, at least one newspaper was reporting that large gold were being found. So the initial reaction in San Francisco was this will stop people.
So that's the point, right?
Correct. So this is about the initial reaction
in San Francisco.
What disbelief. Storekeepers remember see set a frenzy when he paraded through town displaying a small bottle containing gold from Shutters Creek.
Yeah. So that means he physically showed that there is gold. So that in a sample he showed it. So that's the answer for it, I believe.
Correct. Yeah. So now if you go here, see the press played a large part in convincing us. So
Yeah.
this was not there. Many men say this was also not there. People introduce physical evidence. This is we can wait for this one. Many of their minds in the US were among the first to respond. So these things are not there. We only have this part. People introduce physical evidence before
Before
that
they
they
took
took
it
it
seriously.
seriously. So see this part which is there. He paraded through town displaying a small bottle containing gold for Shutters Creek. So it shows physical display.
Right.
So see, the words will not be direct as if you are thinking, okay, why I'm not finding the same word. So it will not be direct anytime. You have to just get the synonym and you have to understand.
Find, understand it most importantly.
And one more thing, like we are just reading these things fast, so it doesn't mean you have to read everything. We are just reading for you so that we come to a word there.
Right.
So you have to search for this word. Where this word is discovery of gold, reaction, news. You have to find these
And
words.
that will come with practice. It
Correct.
initially when we were reading the whole paragraph,
Hmm.
sometimes reading it twice. But once you practice, no, you will able to find okay, discovery of gold. We have to go to that word itself and find the answer.
Correct. And then you have to match what thing is given, what is not part of the essay, all those things.
Yeah. Sometimes it is given, but it is not relevant to what is the question.
Correct.
Yeah.
So that time it may become little difficult as well. Ki which part, like both the parts will be given to you, and it will be difficult for you. Then you have to think little bit more what really they are asking and what the sense from reading from here you are getting.
True.
Okay. So
The
now
answer is C.
see. Okay. What was the result of thousands of people moving to California? So San Francisco could not cope with the influx of people from around the world. Many miners got more money than they could ever have earned at home. Some of those who stayed behind had to take on unexpected roles. New towns were established, which became good places to live.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have to. So this is a big one. So our words are here.
Thousand
Result
result
of
of
thousands of
thousands of
people
people.
moving to California.
Yeah.
As news spread of fortunes becoming one of the first migrants to arrive, those were from the accessible by the boat. Chile, but only later the news reached the East Coast where press reports were initially skeptical.
This is just
Thousands of
some
people around
information.
the man borrowed money, mortgaged their property to spend to make others turn into California. In pursuit of kind of wealth they had never dreamed of. They left the families and local. In turn, their wives had to no option but to shoulder difference such as running farms or businesses and many material success. See,
Yeah.
here the question is result of thousands of people moving to California.
Yeah.
So now, if you read this one, in pursuit of the kind of wealth they had never dreamed of, they left their families and local areas. In turn, so the result is here.
Yeah.
Their wives had no option but to shoulder different responsibilities, such as running farms or business, and many made a real success for them.
Yeah. So that was a thing, right? That was in what was the option?
This was the result.
Yeah, that was the result. So what was the answer? It could be yeah, some of
So some of those who stayed behind had to take on unexpected
unexpected roles.
roles.
Yeah. So their wives had to take some roles when their husbands were had moved to Canada.
Correct.
Sorry, California.
Correct. Yeah. So we hope you understood the thing. So we don't have to read all the lines in the paragraph. You just have to put in your mind what can be the synonym and what are the words they are being asked in the
Yeah,
question.
I've seen in few of the trainings as well that people will just underline the question, the keywords in the question.
Correct,
So
correct.
if that is helpful to you, please go ahead and do because these kind of questions in listening as well is very complicated. We'll surely come with that video as well, right? How
Yeah.
we do it. But for reading, we follow this technique. We try to read the keywords and try to remove the options. Like we see that the B option is not there.
Correct.
Somewhere it's not there, it's not in the
Hmm.
paragraph. So just remove that option from your mind. Now you have three options. Then you remove maybe a D or maybe A. There are two options left for you. So it becomes easier for you to break down your answer that which is your which you feel is correct.
Correct.
Yeah.
And okay. So don't read. So in beginning you have to put some time in reading everything, but slowly with practice you will
Don't read the passage. It's just waste of time. You will. It's better you read the question and then
see the synonym in the
your
quote.
paragraph.
Uh,
Yeah.
and one more thing, like it's not that in computer when you are giving a exam online, then you will not get the option to highlight.
Hmm.
There is an option you can highlight the word there as well.
Yeah.
So this is available in like in manual you can always do, but online also this option is available. So try to use that if you have the time, because it really helps when you know the words which you are searching for.
Yeah, but that's not necessary if you really want to do it. I never did it. I never
But I
understood.
used to do it, yeah.
Yeah, so it's a way of how do it.
So
So
if you can keep in your mind, that's
yeah,
better. But if you can underline, that's also a good idea.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. So
Hey, why are you so happy?
Now I know how to do the MCQs.
Oh, great. I think you people can also learn after seeing this video.
Yeah, so please like, share, and subscribe to our channel because I know we are sometimes not every week we post a video, but we're trying to post every week a video and help you guys with IELTS. And we'll be trying to get something else as well in our videos. So please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and
Stay
stay
tuned.
tuned. Bye
Bye-bye.
bye. Take care.